What up, YouTube? Welcome to Knox Garage. I am gonna start off by thank you for purchasing the shirts. Big turnout. I still got a lot of sizes left: large, medium, and small. I sold out of extra large, but just if you need a shirt, holler at me. Just DM me on Knox Garage or Reesipu. But yeah, today we're gonna build a sim rig. So I'm gonna get everything ready. I bought pretty much got everything. If you check it out, I got the G920 by Logitech. Also got the shifter, and then I got this e-brake from Amazon, hydro brake. Pretty sick. And then I also bought a galvanized pipe, and the homie Steven got me a BMX grip, so I can do this motion, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, for now. Oh yeah, and also shout out to Mitch. He gave me some free lumber. I don't want to say wood, but like some wood. But yeah, let's go head to the garage. Oh, and shout out to Triple Style. Thanks for the Nobori flag. Thanks, Triple Style. If you need some merch from him, hit him up. Good guy. But yeah, let's go start on the hydro brake for now, and then yeah, and then the next, probably tomorrow, we're gonna head to Steven's house and start on it. Alright, back in the garage. Got a bunch of wood right here. Shout out to Mitch. Thank you for the wood. And then yeah, let's go start on this e-brake, hydro brake. 3/4 inch, 18 inches. Got this at Home Depot. Got it for like 14 bucks. Galvanized pipe. So let's try to mock this together. And yeah, let's give this a try. Put this in time lapse mode. Okay, so I guess I gotta shave a little bit on the e-brake area, because this part it won't fit. So I'm going to shave it a little bit off, try to bring it up to that first hole right here so I can bolt it down. So yeah, let's go ruin this hydro brake. Alright, change of plans. I can't find the Dremel, so let's go buy a Dremel. Back, got a Dremel, and let's go start grinding this. Time lapse mode. Alright, so Dremel works, pipe's on. I might cut it later on. I just gotta do some measurements first. And I'm gonna install this BMX grip. So what I did is BMX grip, zip ties, put in a pipe. I learned that on like biking days. Instead of using like hairspray or water, and it'll be still slippery. So way to put a grip in a pipe or handlebars, you know, if you're riding a bicycle. So it's all hooked up, and this is yeah, that's what I did so far. E-brake. I gotta cut and bolt it, so good thing I didn't cut it now, because maybe if my sim rig will probably be too low or too high, at least I can measure it. So I didn't fully put it on all the way in and drill a hole. So, and then tomorrow I'll be at Steven's house, hook up these rigs, sim rig, mount it up and all that stuff. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.
A few moments later.
All right, we're here, Steven's house the next day. Steve and Mikhail is out here, chilling, ripping the Knox Garage shirt. We got hella. I sold out a extra large and large, but I sold out a medium and small. And then we're gonna get ready to build the sim rig. Stay tuned. I will announce the giveaway. So by the end of this video, you'll see the results. All right, so we cut some wood. We're building the tray, and yeah.
Is this where we put the seat?
Yeah.
Let's grab it.
Couple time lapse, and yeah, this is what I got so far out of wood, and then bolt it up and hook it up tomorrow. So far it looks good. Yeah, it's all hooked up now. Hell yeah. Mikhail's clutch kicking right now. Ayy. Skirt! Reverse entry 360. Nah. Damn, it's working. Damn, Mikhail. Alright, so this is the end of the video. I'm going to hook this up. It's getting kind of late. And right now, this is the giveaway. I did a video on my computer. The giveaway winner. So check this out right now. Alright, this is the Knox Garage giveaway. I'm about to close it. So I'm going to pick one winner. You'll be receiving a t-shirt, some stickers, $50 gift card from Amazon, and an air freshener. Squash. Here's a bunch of names. Shout out to the people that enter. We've got 32 people. And do a couple shuffles. And let's go pick the winner. Here's all the names right here. Counting down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sammy. Benito, you are the winner. Congratulations. You have 48 hours. I'm going to DM you. And congratulations. Thank you for winning. All right. Congratulations. Yeah. I'll wait for part 2 for this. I'm going to hook this up in my room. Please like and subscribe. And see you in the next video. Later, guys.
Good job,
Brown skin, I be standing pops and I be rocking it when I be in your vicinity. Wrong style synergy, recognize symmetry. Come try to injure me, broke them down chemically. Ain't the number tendency, talking about hopping I be styled it like Kennedy, late like a 10 to 3. When I stay, when I be, girls safe and I keep cause